Have you ever needed to install an operating system like Tiny11 on your computer, but didn't have a USB drive to do it? No worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to install Tiny11 without a USB drive. Before we get started, I wanted to give a shout out to one of our viewers who inspired this video with a great question on how to install Tiny11 without a USB drive. So if you have any questions or suggestions of your own, make sure to drop a comment below, and we'll try our best to answer them in future videos. First things first, let's go ahead and download the Tiny11 ISO file from a trusted source. You can find the download link in the description box below. Once you click the link, it will take you to a website where you can select and download the ISO file you want. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading the No System Requirements version. Once you've downloaded the file, we can begin the installation process. Step 1. Mount the ISO file. To mount the ISO file, you'll need to right-click on it and select Mount. This will create a virtual drive that will allow you to access the contents of the ISO file. Step 2. Create a new partition. To create a new partition, you'll need to open Disk Management by searching for it in the Start menu. Before creating a new partition, you'll first need to shrink an existing partition to create space for it. To do this, right-click on the partition you want to shrink in Disk Management and select Shrink Volume. Follow the prompts to choose the amount of space you want to allocate to the new partition. Once you have unallocated space available, right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Follow the prompts to create a new partition. You'll need to specify the size of the partition, assign a drive letter, and format the partition with a file system. Step 3. Install Tiny11. Open the virtual drive that you mounted in Step 1 and copy all the files to the new partition you just created in Step 2. Once the copying process is complete, you'll need to install EasyBCD by following the download link in the video description. After it's installed, open EasyBCD and add a new entry by going to Add New Entry, Portable External Media, WinPE. Enter Windows 11 inches as the name, and navigate to the path where you extracted Tiny11. Go to the Sources folder and select boot.wim, then click Open and Add Entry. Exit EasyBCD and restart your computer, then boot from the new partition where you installed Tiny11. And that's it! You should now have Tiny11 up and running on your computer without the need for a USB drive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and how-to guides. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.